The choice of ministers in the Council of Ministers, which we call Cabinet, is the sole prerogative of the Chief Minister. It's the Chief Minister alone who can recommend to the Governor to appoint or dismiss a minister. But the manner in which Nilesh Cabral was literally hounded out of the Cabinet is a stark reminder of how the BJP functions. Nilesh Cabral, as we all will recall, was the foot soldier of the government and of the BJP, and he always stood up to defend even the indefensible and shout down any opposition. Did he lose out for his over-enthusiastic loyalty? Don't forget the rumors which played out just before his resignation about the scam of jobs, with news that the party workers, the Karyakartas, had even written to New Delhi and to several leaders to have him sacked, followed by the drama of him claiming that he was not aware of any such move or even a request from the Chief Minister. And finally, he exited on a call by the Chief Minister.
What would you say about the feeling of his voters and their threat to boycott Lok Sabha elections?
Naturally, there will be mixed feelings in his constituency. Those in his favor will always shout injustice, and those against will welcome his departure. But what do you achieve by boycotting elections? Nothing. If these voters are genuinely hurt and upset, instead of boycotting the elections, they should come out in large numbers and vote against the BJP for a positive action, will register their dissent and disapproval instead of silently sitting at home like crybabies and getting nothing in return. I call upon whoever is truly upset with the BJP for such shabby treatment of Nilesh Cabral to rise up and show the BJP the stick and send their candidates home. If this is the price Nilesh Cabral paid for their loyalty, then I am sure the BJP Karyakartas know how their loyalty will be repaid by using them as used toilet paper and then chucking them out.
What is the message you wish to convey?
The BJP's famous tagline, which we all knew once upon a time, of being a party with a difference, is no longer available. My advice to the people across Goa: boot them out before you get struck out like Cabral. The Congress party, which is truly committed to protecting Goa and Goans, needs your hand, and I appeal to each and everyone to stand united to ensure that we defeat the forces which we all know are out to finish and destroy our beautiful Goa.